everything is fucked. Devo.
So this is our 4th motel.
Cheers, sweetie.
In a week. In God's country, Ulladulla, Mollymook. It's honestly, like, it's not the worst place to be staying in Australia, or even the world. It's a good place to be staying. Good cafes, nice beaches, great pubs. Like, you couldn't ask for much more. But
great wine.
The wine's exceptional. This has been us every day for the past week and a half.
This place is lovely though. We've got our beds.
Yeah, we've got 2 beds instead of 1. We're finally fucking getting out of Ulladulla Mollymook.
We loved Ulladulla though.
It was really nice.
But we got the car back.
Yeah!
Far out. There she is. You excited?
Oh no, but we're about to move. Yeah.
Oh, I know.
So keen.
2 weeks in making.
2 weeks of just twiddling our little thumbs. Seats in the house. How good.
Absolutely the best seats. We haven't started moving yet. We've already got a drink. Cheers.
Cheers.
We've made it. Night 1.
First campsite, Tasmania.
It's not bad. Hello. We're at a winery. Good view. We're well set.
How sick's that?
Made it to our hoop camp.
Yeah, we saw a free campsite, but it was pretty packed, so we just got hip camp. $18.
$18. There's only one guy over there who's not there at the moment. And all this space.
What's going on here?
Making meatballs.
Sizzle, sizzle.
What do you think?
It smells amazing.
Absolutely gorgeous.
You walk ahead. We're gonna walk.
How is it?
Lavender.
Raining. Oh, Matt's been waiting for this a long time.
Love in the paddock. This could be fucking
Oh, it looks so good.
Let's-
Not bad for a free camp. Look at that view. Oh, look at that view. Hello.
You want beer, don't you?
Oh my goodness. Priscilla.
There's another one in there.
Beautiful. Ah, no.
Babe, the sausages.
Lamb, oh, lamb shank. That looks insane. East Coast.
Beautiful.
So we're at the lobster shack. Can you see the seals?
Yeah, the seal's over there. Just behind that post.
Look at that.
Jesus Christ.
I know.
Oh my god.
Eating like kings.
Good job.
Did it?
Well done.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That is very pretty.
We found a friend on the way down. Oh, so cute. How cute are the little dark boars?
Yeah, they just hang.
Honeymoon Bay was so pretty, but it was super cold, so we didn't. I think we were only in for like 5 minutes. Didn't have the stamina.
It's like 14, 15 degrees.
It's freezing. Now we're off for some breakfast at 11:15 and then a wine tasting.
Very fun day.
Welcome to Devil's Corner.
I'm gonna have some wine.
Yes! Left with 6 bottles. And our wine cellar is full.
Our wine cellar is actually getting pretty full.
Excellent temperature control in here, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty well insulated. Oh, good. It's come out again.
Huh?
The thing's come out again.
Oh wow, it really has. Good morning. We are Mills Creek, is it that where we are?
I don't know. Fort Skew?
Mills Creek campground. It rained all night. We're freezing and I'm sick. And we've just packed up. Can't be bothered to have coffee or cook because I'm so cold. We're off to Port Arthur. You good? So we're off to Port Arthur this morning and then we're staying in an Airbnb. We're going to do our laundry. And we're
My
going to be
birthday.
warm.
My birthday.
Maddie's birthday.
Means it's Airbnb time. Woo!
Arrived at the Airbnb and it's absolutely to die for. Yes.
Feel so wonderful, and the same ones here. Feel these plants. They just feel like flannel. Like they're called flannel ferns.
That's currently getting circled by a bumblebee.
How are you just supposed to stay still when they're so loud and so big?
So these beautiful old fishing shacks right on the bay.
What has he done?
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Good, glad.
You're like, sit down, eat.
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
We're so full, so we're sharing one mushroom. and a cream sauce. Potatoes.
Delish.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna baste it too.
Oh yeah, you bake.
Yet another boat ride.
Bruny Island. Very, very exciting.
How was your weekend in Hobart?
It was very good. We had lots of wine.
Enjoyed your birthday?
I had a good time. Can't wait.
I had a really good time. Bruny Island is gorgeous. It's actually not too cold as well. Oh, where are you going? Leave. Best seats in the house. Wow. In for a bit of beach driving. I didn't think we'd be beach driving in Tassie.
What we have the car for.
Oh, the lady that we just passed.
Oh,
Ooh.
try smiling at it.
Huh?
Try smiling at it.
Yeah, I tried smiling at her. I always smile.
Oh, she didn't give you much back.
Nope.
Big flight.
Ooh. Flying thing. This is gorgeous.
So good.
The bushland is really dense. Hi, little guy. You're so cute. Hello. We have a problem. So all of that equipment just leaked. You know what, actually? I took a video of my phone of when it all came out. I will definitely put that in here so you can see what I'm talking about. It's a good looking funnel. Good morning.
Good morning. Gotta put things away. We've got the tow truck coming very soon.
Big day.
Yeah.
So we were able to drive the 10 minutes to this free campsite, Lake Gardner, which is actually very beautiful. Highly recommend, especially if you want to do Crandall Mountain hike. But overnight our coolant has drained, so we definitely can't drive back down the hill. I think it will be far too risky, so we're waiting for a tow truck.
Hell yeah.
There she is. I'll save you, Matt. Hell yeah. Getting closer. Such a nice walk. Made it.
Awesome, so good.
Islands, my favourite, I'd say. My fave. We've arrived at Fitzroy River Reserve. $15 a night for the two of us, and we're bang on the river. Kind of wish one of those was our boat. Quick dinner.
Nice little curry.
Lovely packet curry. They're actually amazing. I'm obsessed with them. These. What is it? These. They are so good. out that we can't cross. Matt's determined, but there's no way. I ain't taking my shoes off. No, thank you. But it does look really gorgeous over there. Shame. Damn. He made it. What a little sweetie. Oh, obsessed. Oh, he's moving. Arrived.
Did you see there's a koala
In the car park, yeah.
You saw that one?
Yeah.
Right by our car. She's just looking up. I wonder if there's anything in the tree in there. Great.
We're at Tower Hill Wildlife Reserve, something like that. Do a gentle walk. We've already seen koalas and emu.
2 koalas.
2 koalas. I'm sure there'll be a lot more. Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Little baby.
You the mummy.
Hi, buddy. Hello, sweet.
It's like they can't.
Good morning, bud.
Eyes open.
So snoozy. Welcome to the gannet colony. So cool. Let's go see some birds. I didn't realize we were going to be this far from the birds. There they are. Let's see if we can get a closer look, eh? That's as close as we can get. I wouldn't really recommend, would you?
No, it was worth the 20 minutes off the road to go see them from a distance.
This was my idea. To be fair, it's the only colony on the Australian, mainland.
Yeah.
However, they kind of look like seagulls from this far away.
Yeah, you couldn't really tell.
They do look like seagulls, don't they?
It's a regular colony of seagulls.
Yeah. It's the time!
Time for South Australia.
We're about to cross the border. Shot just where we are, in the middle of a paddock. And there's a giant blue hole, actually a sinkhole filled with water. Nice.
Done. Do what you did. That's all. Just quickly walk into it.
Another near empty campsite. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Infamous icon of South Australia.
Big lobby.
Oh, it's so Australian. Big shit.
It's actually huge.
It's actually, it's way bigger than like the big banana and stuff, eh? Wine time! Winery number 1 of probably many.
In the Barossa Valley. A little bit hungover.
Yeah. Our stay in Adelaide last night got a little bit out of control, didn't it?
Yeah, I went to
100 bars.
a lot of Negronis, a lot of cocktails.
Anyway.
Pick me up. Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious. Made it to the York Peninsula, South Australia. It's probably about like a 3-hour drive from where we were in the Barossa. Oh, 3.5. Freaking magic. Looked over and found another little inlet. Show and tell.
Just found the skeleton
Let's do it from this way so we can see in the light.
of a weedy sea dragon. Poor guy, so dried out.
These dolphins, oh, I need these. They're like swarming us, coming right around us. It's incredible. Oh my goodness. Our next stop. Where is it? Black Springs. It's our friend's favourite campsite. So I think it'll be a winner. There we go. There she is. And the view. Pretty good. So apparently bees are supposed to be a bit of a problem in summer because they kind of swarm you and any water source that you have because they're so thirsty in the summer. So they tell you to put out like a thing of water with some stones in it so when they come to drink they come away from your campsite and so they don't drown. So I've made my little bee bath thing. Currently they're still swarming me, so we'll see if that works.
Big scratch.
Someone's enjoying the water that I left out. Not the bees though.
Just not a fish, right? I feel really bad.
And that is why post-dinner walks are so important.
They win. You find seals.